How to remove the Peugeot Expert door mirror, and in the process we'll also need to remove the door panel. Now we'll need to remove the inner door mirror cover, and I'll show you why you need to remove the door panel, because the cable and plug for the mirror, which is that grey one over there, runs down into the door panel, and obviously to unplug and remove you need to remove the door panel. So now we're going to be removing the door panel first. Next we're going to remove the cover on the door pull handle. Be gentle, even though I'm using a flathead middle screwdriver. Underneath there will be two 10mm bolts that you need to remove. And then next, to the side there will be a Torx screw that we'll need to remove, and then there will also be another Torx screw to the bottom of the door panel where the door open handle is. We will remove the trim. Next, either using a tool or something plastic to get in between the door panel and the door itself, there is clips on the inside that hold the door panel in place. These clips can break, but this is the idea. So get in between the door panel and the door, and then sometimes it will require more force, but you need to pull it towards you and slide it up to detach the door panel. Don't completely yank it out, as the cable for the window switch is still there and you'll need to unplug it. I'm just going to show you a trick. Now, these white ones are the clips, and you'd want them on the door panel like this, as it makes refitting much easier. So if there's any that's left on the door itself, go ahead and remove all of them like so and put them onto the door panel, as it will make refitting much easier. This is how you remove the Peugeot Expert G9 door panel. Now that the door panel is off, we have access to the cable with the plug, which is this one. Press onto this section over here and then unplug, and then you'll need to unclip the plug from the door itself, and you'll also need to detach the plug from the clip in order to remove the plug from the door. So the mirror itself is held on by these Torx screws. Go ahead and remove these three Torx screws. I believe they were T30, I may be wrong. And then when you remove these screws, you're going to hold the mirror and then gently wriggle it out. The cable, if you don't unclip or detach the clip from the plug, they get stuck, and you'll see when you're removing the mirror what I'm trying to say. So I'm wriggling the mirror here, pulling it out, and because I haven't detached the clip on the plug, it gets stuck. So you need to do that in this position. This is how you remove the door mirror from a Peugeot Expert. Hello.
Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And if you do want to support the channel more, you can always send a super thanks by clicking onto the button underneath the video. Any amount, even the bare minimum, is much appreciated.